Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Raghava Tharun. I am from New Horizon College. Today, we are going to discuss about cybersecurity and also in terms of financial management. Today, I'm going to present a PBT on cybersecurity and financial management. So, let's get started. Coming to the overview of cybersecurity in finance, there are seven topics which are presented over here. And coming to the significance of cybersecurity, cybersecurity plays a major role in protecting sensitive data and also high stakes in finance, evolving threat landscape, implementing security measures, regulatory compliance also. So coming to protecting sensitive data, cybersecurity safeguards using different methods to protect your financial information and also your credit card and debit card detail, and also your UPI pins or any passwords from unauthorized access and also potential breaches. And also it enables the finance sector as finance sector faces significant risk. It enables that preventing loss or financial loss of an individual and also reputational damage from breaches. Evolving threat landscape refers to cyber threats which are constantly evolving by threatening some people by asking a ransom amount and also setting up-to-date security measures to combat them. As cybersecurity helps in these type of things, and also implementing security measures. Effective security measures are crucial to safeguard financial assets and ensure data integrity also. And maintaining compliance with regulations is key to prevent legal issues and protecting customer trust as well. And there are few common cyber attack types which are mentioned here. First is phishing attacks. Phishing involves deceptive emails that tricks users into revealing sensitive information, often leading to identity theft or financial losses. Phishing basically means sending an email which is a spam, and if you click on the link or some uh, text message, which will redirect to other websites, which causes identity theft or financial loss by stealing your information. And coming to second one, it is ransomware threats because ransomware threat is a type of cyber security attack. It involves stealing an information which is very sensitive of an individual and asking some random amount in order to protect your identity. And DDoS attack refers to flood systems with excessive traffic, overwhelming resources, and causing denial of service, impacting availability for users. Like when you're trying to use one website, it causes uh, it causes multiple websites to open at the same time, which increases the traffic, and also the user cannot be able to use the service of the system. And next is insider threats. Insider threats occur when employees misuse their access to system for malicious purposes, often leading to data breaches or fraud. And next is SQL injection. SQL injection basically targets databases by injecting some harmful or malicious SQL queries, which allows the attackers to manipulate or access sensitive data without the user authorization. And coming to cyber attack implications, impacts of cyber attacks basically include financial losses, which by asking some random amount to the users by stealing their data, and regulatory penalties. Institutions may face significant penalties from regulators because applications like Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp, which are in case they are not protecting your sensitive data, they may face regulatory penalties and also reputation damage. Data breaches can severely damage an institution's reputation, which maybe like if some any bank or some financial institute act did not secure your data and some hacker is trying to access your data, which reduces the reputation of the company. And also loss of customer trust, which is basically when you trust a company and you give your details which are very sensitive to them and they lost your data to some random hacker. This includes the loss of customer trust and business opportunities, potential loss of future business opportunities due to breaches, and increased scrutiny. Regulators may increase scrutiny on affected institutions. Higher compliance costs. Institutions may incur higher costs for compliance compliance and regulations, enhanced security measures, the need for improved security measures to prevent future incidents. And here are some cyber risk mitigation strategies which are very important in order to avoid cyber attacks, which is conduct regular security audits, which will enable to identify loopholes of your system and also implement employee training, but like training your employees to not share sensitive data to any other person who are not relevant to the company, and develop incident response plans like figuring out the situations in advance to regulate your systems and also to reduce the impact of cyber attacks, and use multi-factor authentication, which is basically a good thing to implement because using multi-factor authentication reduces the cyber attacks because it includes two-factor or three-factor authentication, which requires an OTP or some code to enter in order to access your account, and ensure data encryption, which enables data should be encrypted and also which is not to be shared to any other without authorization. And some best practices to ensure cybersecurity is to implement strong password policies. We need to use complex passwords and enforce regular changes to enhance account security, and regular software updates. Ensure that you have updated your system regularly, like software updates and also security updates as well, and backup your data regularly to maintain secure data. We should backup regularly to ensure quick recovery from ransomware attacks and also data loss incidents. And next is monitor network activity. Utilize intrusion detection systems to actively monitor and identify any suspicious activities within the network. Engage with cybersecurity professionals. If you engage with cybersecurity professionals, you will get to know that how to be prepared for any attack, and also also to be prepared to ensure that we are not part of cyber security attacks, which may lead to data breach or also financial loss as well. And coming to some of the incidents in cybersecurity finance or a targeted ransomware attack on a major bank, and phishing scams testing targeting financial advisors, data breach at financial service firm, DDoS attack on online banking services, etc. Thank you.